Hello everyone. So now I am going to demonstrate how to move the slow control processes from one high voltage control machine to another one. So right now we are running from KLM HV03 and we want to move the processes to the other machine KLM HV02. So first we need to stop the slow control processes. So for that I will run restart.sh
Which path?
KLM
Which
HV.
which folder?
So you can run it from any directory as long as you type the full path. So it is inside the home directory. So I typed tilde slash restart.sh KLM HV03 NSM stop. So it should stop all the slow control processes including the NSM daemon. So next I log out from that machine and I will log back to KLM HV02. And similarly on the other terminal I will place Ctrl C to stop that process. I will log out from that machine and I will log back to KLM HV02. Now I want to restart the slow control processes here. So I type restart.sh KLM HV02 and then start. But before that I need to make sure that the files have the proper path. So since KLMHB02 and 03 has separate home directory, so the DAC SLC that is present in KLMHB02 should already have the correct path. So I won't have to change anything. So I will go to DAC SLC, IOC, then KLMHB.cmd, and if I go to the very end of this file, we should see that well, it's a real long file and the shift end does not work, so I can't directly go to the end. Oh, okay, instead I'll just do tail DAC SLC IOC KLMHV. So here you can see that we have a line, the NSM config CA KLMHV, and here our host name is KLMHV02, who is already matched with the host name of this machine, and that means we don't need to change anything. So now I will start the slow control processes. So that is restart.sh
And RPC gas
KLMHV02,
flow.
and that should be all right
Okay,
because
can we see?
okay, sure. So yes, well, it is in. Okay, so it is KLMSB01, so yes, I need to change it. But when I change it, I will have to make a copy of this. So, okay. Okay, so should be 02. Yes, but since I am editing the local version of the file here, when we go back to KLMHB03, on that computer, this file should be already appropriate for KLMHB03. So that actually means that we won't have to change this file every time we go from one computer to another because these files are kept locally. So yes, now we can finally restart the processes. KLM HV02 start, and I will also start the high voltage daemon log HV control KLM HV latest.
And can you show the settings
Mm-hmm.
in the control
Ye-
system studio?
Yes, of course, because I will have to change it. So first I will verify that all the processes are running. Okay, so now I'll have to change these settings from CSS code. We need to go to NSM and we need to 02 apply and okay. So now this turn on button should work. So I'll test if it works, and if it does not work, then in that case we need to restart the CSS Studio. So yes, we see that the run on button is not working. So I will just restart the CSS Studio, and then it should work. I have KLM HV 02. Okay, yes, everything looks correct. Okay, so yes, it's not working. So well, let's see how to debug it. So for me, it looks like a NSM to socket issue. So although all the processes are running here, uh, so in this situation we need to do 3d slc source set nv. Then I will use this command called nsm info 2 with the port number 9124. So this basically shows all the NSM nodes that are running in that port, and here we should be able to see something like this, which is showing KLM PC03 KLM DAQ, that is our KLM shifter PC, and that is actually running on the process 26345, and we can also verify it using this command nsm phux grep nsm2 socket, and we see that indeed we have a nsm2 socket process that is running on 26345. So I will kill that process 6345, and when we kill that process we see that the GUI is ready. So here you can see that the RPC gas flow daemon is ready, and
Now switch back to
all these
the new machine.
they are ready. No, before switching back, I want to see if this turn on button works. And yes, now the turn on button works. So okay, so well, so this kind of problem can happen after switching back to a new machine. You might need to kill one of the NSM to socket process to clear the NSM memory. Okay, so that's it.
No, we will switch to new machine.
Yeah, so I mean we don't need to record it because